So, this is Ryobi Days. This is Ryobi Days. Day 1 delivery. So, there's going to be more, but we got to start somewhere. So, I'm going to see what they sent me. I know there's 2 more shipments coming. So, yeah, Ryobi Days 2023, or as I like to call it, Christmas and summer. So, I'm excited. I get tools! Sorry. Wow, this is high quality. This right here, high quality stuff. Very exciting. That's got a reddish tinge to it. It's not a normal brown. Fantastic. Ooh! Oh, it's the 50-piece bit set! Okay, yeah. Anyway, that's like under 10 bucks for 50 pieces. And we got, this is factory blemished. I want my money back. I want DTO prices. Okay, so, yeah, it's got all the different bits and a few drivers, and I love the extensions. And, it's even got it's got nut drivers and 2 of the socket. Yeah, it looks like a 1/4 and 3/8 inch socket thingies. I should have looked up my terminology first because, you know, I've been calling it the right thing, but now I'm on camera, so it's exciting. Okay. Oh, this one's hard. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to turn it on side. Come on, guys. We got this. Oh no, my brown paper. That's kind of brown. It's reddish brown. This is a box. Okay, this says upside down things. So I'm gonna open it with my trusty. If you missed the video on this, go watch it. I mean the one I made. You can watch other ones too, it's fine. Okay. It's a box. Oh my gosh. They sent a tool bag? That's fantastic. Whoa, this is a big tool bag. Holy cow. I don't have one this big. Oh, it's upside down. That's great. I have to clean that up. Okay. So, this has a zipper. It looks like this might be the combo set that was like ridiculously low priced. I can't remember what we paid. It was like $69 no, it was $99 for compact impact driver. Man, I'm gonna have to put this next to the old impact driver and see how it does. My gosh, that's tiny. My hand is huge. Okay. Got that. This is the compact drill driver. These are not brushless, are they? This is a brushless combo? I didn't know it was brushless. I thought I was paying $100 for non-brushless things. I thought I was paying for brush. This is great. Okay, so those 2. No way. The Sawzall is brushless too? Okay, I didn't know that when I bought it. I was in a rush because it was very exciting. The prices were so cheap. So it was like $100. It was $100 for Sawzall. Oh man. Yeah, I think I have one of these, but this is an updated design from the one that I have. So this is kind of cool. It's lighter. Gosh, it's lighter. Okay. And then charger to charge, and batteries. Okay, these are, yeah, they're the 1.5 amp hour, which is fine. I mean, you can drill all day with a drill or an impact, one of these, you know, a lot. And 1 bar for each of these. It's supposed to store them. I saw someone say that storing, maybe it was Ryobi, storing at 2 bars is good storage. 1 bar is fine. but those are ready to charge. Two 1.5 amp hour batteries, compact drill driver, compact impact driver, and oh, Ryobi saw blade. Diablo. Okay, so that is a nice big bag. I'm gonna carry tools. You wouldn't. Okay, so that's box one. It's very exciting. We're gonna use these together. Let's see what else Home Depot sent me. Home Depot sent me. Let's see what else Home Depot sent me. Yes, proper. These are tools. Oh. I don't even know if this is on sale. I don't remember. But it's a 25-foot Ryobi tape measure. I'm opening it, but we're going to review it later. Oh, I should have. Okay, never mind. Okay. Wow, that's easy. Okay. Nice lock. Oh, that's cool. It's got a, that's like a rubber. I mean, this is a hard rubber, but I mean, this is going to be well protected from a drop, I can tell. Okay. And the final box. The mystery box. I really don't know what's in this one. I mean, I checked my shipments earlier and I couldn't see which one was delivered. Tomorrow will be part 2 of this. Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Okay, charger. This is like my 6th charger. So I'm gonna have a charger for each battery. So we got the radio, the little radio. How cool is that? Bluetooth radio, controls on it, and I don't know if I can control that from my phone, but I bet I can. Oh, of course I can, whatever music app I'm using. Sorry, you know, your brain just goes out the window when you're opening toys. I mean, tools. And the 1.5 amp hour battery. But it came with a battery, which is nice. And I think that this set was, I'm gonna have to look it up, guys, but we'll go through it when I look these up a little more carefully. Oh, clip-on fan. So I can clip that just about any shelf, anywhere. Ooh, omnidirectional, except for, yeah, it is omnidirectional. I can go anywhere with that. And the work light. So that was the other combo set that I bought. And then everything else from now on, I think, is supplies for other things that I got, including this, and we'll see. But I did take advantage of the battery special, so I know that's coming. So I love everything that I got today except for this saw blade. So now people complain about bits, Ryobi bits. They're like, oh, they're not strong enough. It's like, but they're like not expensive, and I don't know, I've used them. I mean, I know I'm a DIY guy, but they hold up. So you know what, we'll test some. We'll really put them to the test. But for now, day 1 of Ryobi Days haul. I'm so happy. Thanks, guys. So here is the whole haul all at once. Old style charger and new style charger. All the tools that are fit. And man, that bag is huge. Okay. We're going to measure these. We're going to compare them to the ones, the old Ryobis that I have. We're going to do a lot of things with them. All right. Well, thanks for learning with me. We learned today how to unbox some tools. Tomorrow we'll learn more. It really is like Christmas.